How to download Crunchyroll episodes for offline viewing. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to view the videos from Crunchyroll offline, you may follow up this method. The first thing you need to understand is you need to have the premium version of Crunchyroll available if you would like to download the videos or episodes from your Crunchyroll to your device. So you can look out for different plans available within Crunchyroll. You can look out for those options, like the one that you think is a one for you. And once you do so, you can basically head over to Crunchyroll and look out for one of the anime episodes or any of the show's episodes that you would like to download. Once you find the episode or the show that you would like to download, you can head over to the episode. You can go ahead and play it. And once you are there, you can locate at the download option within the screen. You can look out for download option here, or you may scroll down. As I said earlier, you need to have premium feature for that, so I cannot show you that. But you may just go ahead and look out for the download option within the screen. And once you find it, you can just go ahead and download it. And once downloaded, you can just go ahead and access the particular videos or the shows or animes within Crunchyroll when you're offline as well. And that's it. So therefore, you may also follow the same process if you would like to watch Crunchyroll videos offline. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.